Alright, bismillah wa salatu wa salam ala rasulullah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Alaikum salam wa rahmatullahi.
MashaAllah, I got these three brothers, mashallah, they all converts, reverts to Islam, very young in Islam, but they're out here in the streets of Brisbane doing dawah. How's everything, brother? Mashallah, we'll ask one by one of them each, inshallah, of what they think about the dawah today. We'll start with Brother Samir.
Yeah, it's going good. It's good to talk to people, get in the streets, talk to people. There's so many misconceptions about Islam these days, and it's a shame. It hurts. So it's good to get out there and speak to people. Give them the truth. Islam is the truth. We know the truth, and it'd be really selfish and ignorant not to get out there and spread it.
So what do you advise to the Muslim viewers? Would you like them to encourage to do state dawah?
Yeah, get out there, get talking to people. It's an obligation. Yeah.
MashaAllah. Jazakallah khair. Brother Mustafa, what do you want to say?
Alhamdulillah, this has been a great experience, just giving dawah. This is my first time giving dawah, and
MashaAllah.
Alhamdulillah, it's been so great spreading Islam, just talking about people, Islam, just having conversations of what is Islam, and just asking questions and getting out there.
Yeah.
So it's just an obligation for us as Muslims to go out there and spread Islam, and I encourage everyone out there. For me, this is my first time, so just encourage everyone out there just to spread it.
Was it hard? Was it hard to do it the first time?
Yes. Oh, yeah, definitely.
It was hard.
There's a lot of things you got to take in consideration because you don't know.
Yeah, mashallah. But you're starting getting used to it, eh?
Of course.
And then you guys are prepared to do this, like for many times, inshallah, regularly, every Saturday.
Yes, definitely.
Jazakallah. Let's have Brother Robbie here, mashallah. Assalamu alaikum, Brother Robbie.
How you going?
Mashallah. Brother Robbie has been doing dawah a couple of months now, mashallah. Tell us about your dawah experience in the street, brother.
Yeah, it's good fun. You go out with the brothers, you're just going out to please Allah, and when you go do something just to please Him, it makes you feel good.
MashaAllah. And you've seen a lot of people really interested in knowing about Islam, correct?
Yeah, I've seen all sorts, coming through the city and stuff. You get some people who are interested, some people want to have a debate, or some people just want to walk past and yell something.
MashaAllah.
That's just the way it is, alhamdulillah.
Few words of encouragement to our viewers, especially the Muslims, inshallah.
Yeah, have a crack at it, what we've got, at best maybe, 60 years, 70 years, Allahu Alam, where we can go out and try and do some things to get to heaven. So that's why I'm here, just to learn and to do something to please God, and inshallah to go into my account in the next life.
Ameen, ameen. May Allah reward all of you brothers for doing this work. May Allah keep you sincere, inshallah, in following the sunnah of the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. One takbir for everyone, inshallah. Takbir.
Allahu Akbar.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Assalamu alaikum.